Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to highlight muscle or body part in our video with CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut application and I'm going to highlight this body part, for example, and I'm going to highlight this body part with this red image. So first of all, make sure you have prepared this red image for your video. I have downloaded this image from the internet. Okay, and I'm going to add this image to my timeline, and I'm going to make it align with my video, and we're going to go to the mask menu and add mask, and I'm going to choose circle mask, and then we can adjust the size of the mask like this and rotate it a little bit. You can adjust it according to the body part that you want to highlight. Okay, and we need to adjust the feather like this. Okay, and wait, I'm going to make it smaller and adjust the feather again. And then you can go to the blend menu to blend the highlight with the video. You can go to the basic and you're going to select the blend here. Wait. Okay, choose blend, and for the blend mode I'm going to choose let's try hard light. Okay, I'm just going to choose this one, and this is the final result. If the body part is moving, you can use keyframe to make the highlight follow the moving part. Okay guys, and that's all the way to highlight muscle or body part in a video using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.